This is the rudder. All the little bits here, looks like it's all in pretty good shape. Of course, heavy corrosion on all sorts of things, but all the AN hardware will be replaced. What I wanted to show you, this is my finger. Okay? What happens when this sailcloth gets old? You can just poke right through it without a heck of a lot of trouble. The stuff on the elevator was a lot worse. You could actually, you didn't have to push on it nearly as hard as I'm pushing on it. Sailcloth, you should be able to almost jab with a screwdriver and not poke holes in it. This stuff, however, is toast, and will be being taken care of with the handy dandy knife here. Anyway, I'll show you a picture when I'm done.